clean water. Don't have to try and get water jugs.
What do you think Mom will think about being able to freshly wash?
Oh, she'll love it. She'll love being able to use fresh water.
Perfect. All right, let's get this thing open.
I mean, this here, I can do something.
Can you get, you know, that's where we're gonna need the elbow in the corner. Turn on the valve. Water is now filling into these containers.
That's exciting.
Hey, you made it out here.
Just in time. There's also construction going on the street, so if you hear beeping or loud rumbling, that's what's going on.
But we're in luck because now we have water in here. The best part about this water filtration system is that it leaves all the nutrients in the water. It doesn't take out the good stuff, it only takes out the bad stuff.
That's right. And it's the moment of truth.
Big moment.
Ooh, how exciting.
Get right in there. That is some fresh water.